Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back Motando Nestembu. And we are going to talk about uMakhumalo noMthombeni, right? uMthombeni finally decided to go to uMakhumalo and have that talk because according to him, they are now in a better place. I just want to start by saying, Guti, you know that you have failed as a leader, you know that you have failed as a husband when you can only attend to your wife when you feel like now you are okay, and then you don't care if you've neglected your wife for how long, more especially in this polygamy setup where he did not come and check on uMakhumalo, where he did not come and check ukuthi istina sibeka kuphi, even if he did not have to carry it but give some sort of direction. Because now uMakhumalo literally built this home alone, which will make it then her home. Uyangena, uyasho ukuthi there was something here, that something has been removed. uMakhumalo, you could see ukuthi uyavuma nje ukuthi bandlulise, right? No problem, sharp, that happened. Now, baba ne-discussion ye-sponsored kitchen. And uMakhumalo is telling him ukuthi no, the kitchen is not sponsored. They wanted to sponsor the kitchen esemzumbi. But uMthombeni, because he heard it gama hearsay, he's emphasizing ukuthi no, it's this one, nan. And you could see ukuthi because uThobile is overwhelmed at this point, she could not continue with the argument. She just said, okay, Mthombeni, if that's how you feel, it's that. And what discouraged her or made her feel overwhelmed is the fact that uMusa does not want to acknowledge Makhumalo's hard work. All he wants to ukuthi uMakhumalo afile ngathi without him izinto bengeke zenzeke ne. He further continues to say ukuze mina noMakhumalo sibe right, uMakhumalo needs to report every little thing to me. So now, to me, that said ukuthi Makhumalo's independence is indirectly hurting him, because now it means ukuthi he does not feel more of a man like he used to when he was providing everything for uMakhumalo, or almost everything. Now, that kitchen conversation started the meeting at the wrong foot, because uMakhumalo just became emotional. You know, you want Guti, when you succeed as a woman, your husband to be there by your side, and your husband to say, good job, my wife. You know, you have done it, you have succeeded, and clap for you. But now in this instance, none of that was there. Okay, sharp. uMakhumalo noMthombeni, then they have that discussion yokuthi where are we? But in that discussion, they addressed one important thing, and uMthombeni wanted to justify it, but uThobile wathi sala suyibamba la. That thing was the fact yokuthi uMthombeni was always a polygamist, and they did not necessarily date a married man, because when you are dating a polygamist, you are dating somebody that you know ukuthi he's not doing anything wrong per se. The wife knows that at any time kuzokokotwa kulethwe unkosikazi. And then he clarified that, of which uMacele always says, bashade laba indoda eshadile, mina angishadanga indoda eshadile. Because that statement ethi mina angishadanga indoda eshadile, it means ukuthi the others married a married man. Sharp, no problem. Now, in that discussion, you could see ukuthi uMakhumalo has clocked out, has checked out. She does not want to argue. And like I said on my TikTok page, ukuthi uMakhumalo felt ukuthi uMseleku was his king, ne? And now uMseleku's behavior has made uMseleku to dethrone himself. Now, looking at the whole thing, uMakhumalo does not know now, I held this man at such a high regard. How do I then place him? Where do I then even place him now? Because this was my king. This was the man that when he spoke, things made sense. But right now, he's speaking and nothing is making sense. It's like he's speaking bliblish, or what is it again? He's like mumbling or fumbling, or whichever English word is the correct word. Excuse me, my phone wanted to disturb me there. Then now, kube indaba yani, badiscusse, then bangene endabeni ka bani lo mntwana umpilo, to say umpilo umamakhe uthi kumele ayenze lo msebenzi wokukhishwa ekhaya because umntwana has fought for herself to an extent that she was able to change her ID number, remember. And with that said, everything happened and izinto zapopa zahamba kahle. All right, uMusa wathi, because mina now we are not in a good place, I am not going to do that. Which also made uLokhunja further uMakhumalo sad because uMthombeni was able to do umsebenzi for umntwana wakhe noSamke while izinto were not good. He was able to go emsamo and or whichever child, right? But this is going to also create more hatred towards uSamke because of how he is handling things. But my question is, will they continue nomsebenzi kaMpilo based on this, or will uMpilo be punished for this act? And then when he left eMininyana, the other family came, uMagungwabe nabantwana bakhe. They came to see Makhumalo's beautiful home, and Makhumalo's siblings were there. Guys, indlu kaMakhumalo, it's beautiful. Like, yo, I love it. And they had a discussion in her big, beautiful bedroom about who Mseleku is. You know, you could see ukuthi uMakhumalo is speaking from a place of hurt and a place of disappointment. Ugirl is feeling like angashaka lo muntu athi snap out of this whole thing. You are making wrong decisions, and out of pride, how do we then correct these wrong decisions that you're making? But unfortunately, the man is not seeing anything. The man wants to continue to do what the man wants. uMagungwabe is a spaceman at this point, who's filling the space for uMakhumalo and making sure ukuthi uMakhumalo is comforted. Like uMagungwabe, like, guys, she is my role model at this point. She is giving uMakhumalo all the support uMakhumalo needs. She is the friend in this setup that uMakhumalo needs, because she has had the pain of rejection, the pain of being an outsider, the pain of being labeled the bad person. Njengoba asho ukuthi uMakhumalo uyaqala ukuyi-experience lento yokuthi she is bad-mouthed. Now, with that said, I hope ukuthi uMthombeni's eyes will finally be opened before he fights with all these wives and ends up being cordial with only Macele and Makwela. Because at the end of the day, isithembu ukuze singafi kusho bathi omunye unkosikazi akamelanga ahambe. That's what they say. This is your girl, Disable D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.